on, Mr. Nice Guy. From now on, ain't letting shit slide. You ain't with the clique, wasn't with me from the get. Now these niggas wanna dig right. Fuck it. Come on, Mr. Nice Guy. Hate to introduce you all to that guy. Fuck it. Come on, Mr. Nice Guy.
3, 2, 1.
Nigga, I ain't impressed. Nigga, I ain't even flex. Ballin' like the Ruckers. Shot my nigga P on blood, they in trouble. They ain't on my level, big stones in the bezel. I'm a ruler with the flows, niggas can't even measure. What you saying, nigga? I don't play games on the playground. I just go to bustin' like a greyhound. Ain't the type of guy to ever wait round. Speaking of the South, I'm the one who hold the weight down. No more Mr. Nice Guy. From now on, I ain't letting shit slide. You ain't with the clique, wasn't with me from the get. Now these niggas wanna dig right. Fuck.
You jumped over these double big.
Okay. Murder.
Hey. Hey.
Hello.
I'm in love with you. More than summer and afternoon.
Y tú no entiendes la cantidad de amor que yo siento por ti. Yo por ti soy todo. Puedo ser tu amante, tu amigo, tu cónyuge, tu tonto, tu taza de baño, tu burro, tu perro.
Who knew being nosy could be this good for the limbs? He's doing the exercises without even noticing.
Wait, Uncle!
A wise cat is the cat who prioritizes their health first, not outdoor games or something else.
And I decided that it was shark. So, girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
When you reach that certain age, your habits spill the beans without even trying.
Why? What are you doing?